Question 15 gives us the polynomial equation y equals x squared plus 2x plus 2, and we're asked to pick the graph that accurately depicts this equation. Recall that the standard form of a quadratic polynomial is typically written as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c tell us a variety of things about the graph. For instance, a tells us whether the graph opens upward or downward, and this is dependent on the positivity or the negativity of a. C, on the other hand, tells us the y-intercept. B by itself doesn't tell us anything. However, negative b over 2a tells us the x-coordinate of the vertex. Looking at the answer choices, we can see that every graph has a y-intercept of 2, so it doesn't help us very much to notice that this one has a y-intercept of 2. Looking at the value of a, we can see it's positive 1, and that tells us that the graph opens upward, but all 4 answer choices also reflect this. It must be then that b tells us what we need to know. Notice how in all 4 answer choices, the vertex is changing position significantly. In answer choice A, for instance, the vertex has a negative x-coordinate and a negative y-coordinate, whereas in answer choice B, it has a negative x-coordinate but a positive y-coordinate. Answer choices C and D vary in the same way. If we can find the coordinates of the vertex of this parabola, we should be able to find the right answer based on the position of the vertex. Calculating the value of negative b over 2a based on the equation we're given, we get negative 2 over 2 times 1. This gives us negative 2 over 2, which is equal to negative 1. We know now that the x-coordinate of our vertex is negative 1, which rules out C and D as possibilities. To find the y-coordinate of the vertex, we simply take the x-coordinate and we plug it in for x. Doing so, we get y equals negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 plus 2. This is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 2, which is 1. This tells us, then, that the coordinates of our vertex are negative 1, comma positive 1, which is a point in the second quadrant. As a result, the answer must be B.